They're not switching everything, they're not announcing it, but top salons are quietly adding something new, and clients are noticing the difference. Korean hair care has been making waves for years in the beauty world, but now a more specific trend is taking hold: FDA-compliant Korean hair care. The salons that are ahead of the curve aren't waiting for trends to go viral. They're bringing in smart, science-backed, and gentle solutions that get results. And they're doing it in a quiet but powerful way. If you're wondering what these salon leaders know that others don't, keep reading. The answer lies in changing client behavior, smarter retail habits, and a new standard of safety and performance. Let's face it, clients are getting pickier, and that's a good thing. They ask more questions, they read ingredients, and they don't want to compromise. One of the biggest shifts salon owners are facing today is a drop in trust when it comes to traditional products loaded with harsh ingredients. Your clients are more aware than ever about long-term scalp health, hormonal sensitivity, allergies, and chemical buildup. They're also comparing what they see in your salon with what's trending online, especially when it comes to Korean beauty. What's the result? Clients are quietly skipping product add-ons. Retail sales feel harder to close. Some are even questioning the treatments used in the back bar. The unspoken fear for salon owners is this: what if your product offerings are holding your growth back? The problem with standard salon product strategies. Many salons try to fix this by adding organic or natural products to their shelves. Others stock trending items based on social media buzz. But here's the problem: not all natural products perform well. Trending products often lack safety regulation. Clients still hesitate if they don't trust the label or ingredients. Worse, some so-called clean brands aren't actually tested or compliant with safety standards. This can backfire and create even more skepticism among your clients. So how do successful salons fix this? The smartest salons now look for one key phrase before bringing anything new into their retail or service line: FDA compliant. If you use products, look for FDA-compliant hair care to ensure the safety and quality, because clients trust products that meet verified safety standards. In the salon world, it's not enough for a product to be trending. It must be safe, high quality, and trustworthy. And this is exactly where Korean hair care stands out. Why Korean hair care is a game changer in salons. Korean beauty isn't just about skincare anymore. The innovations in Korean hair care have caught the attention of salons worldwide for one simple reason: they work without the harsh stuff. Korean hair care focuses on restoring scalp balance, encouraging natural growth, and improving hair texture with plant-powered ingredients. The formulas are often lightweight, fast-absorbing, and incredibly effective over time, making them a dream for clients with thinning hair, itchy scalp, or dry strands. What makes it even better for salons? Korean brands that are FDA compliant combine this performance with verified safety. Smart salons add strategic solutions. Here's what top salons are doing. They don't replace their current products. They add select FDA-compliant Korean items into their service menu and retail offerings. This gives clients the option to try something new without disrupting the entire system. And in many cases, clients naturally start requesting it again, driving repeat sales. The most in-demand Korean hair care solutions focus on scalp relief for sensitive clients, gentle but effective dandruff solutions, hair loss prevention and regrowth stimulation, shine and smoothness without heavy residue. And they do it with clean, functional ingredients that your clients can Google and feel good about. The trend toward clean and effective products has led to a rise in ingredient curiosity. Clients love it when they see plant-based actives that are both natural and scientifically backed. Here are a few ingredients found in top-performing Korean hair care that are getting attention. Centella asiatica, known for calming the scalp and supporting natural healing. Citrus nobilis, mandarin, offers antioxidant protection and gentle cleansing. Inonotus obliquus, chaga mushroom, boosts scalp vitality and nourishes follicles. Chlorella ferment, strengthens and protects hair from root to tip. Urtica dioica, nettle, reduces inflammation and supports stronger, thicker hair. These ingredients don't just sound nice on a label, they make a visible difference over time. And they give salon owners an easy way to talk about product benefits in a way that builds trust and encourages retail purchases. The quiet strategy that boosts revenue. This movement is happening quietly for a reason. The salons that are doing it best are focused on client results first, not product hype. By adding FDA-compliant Korean hair care to their service and retail offerings, they're elevating their brand's image, building deeper trust with clients, offering real solutions for real hair concerns, and increasing their retail revenue with repeat sales. This isn't about trends, it's about smart positioning and long-term growth. Your next step. If your salon wants to offer clients safer, more effective solutions for scalp and hair issues, now is the time to explore Korean hair care that's powered by plant-based science. Our Korean hair care products are FDA-compliant, premium quality, and both European and international vegan certified. Are you ready to bring trusted Korean hair care into your salon? Contact us using the description below. We offer bonus gifts to qualified salon owners who purchase our products for their salon services and retail. And here's the best part. Because of our global expansion, the previous profit margin of up to 45% has now increased to 54% or more. Extra earnings you'll enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty business success tips.